Hey guys, it is the 3rd of December and I have a basta padlock. Let's see if we can get this open. I love these padlocks with this shape and never seen a basta with that shape before. So that's interesting. Okay. Try. Oh, by the way, how many pins are we up against? Five. Okay, I thought so. There we go. Pin 3. Awesome. Normally I don't, well, sometimes I do, but I will say this one is for my personal collection, but yeah, so I'm not gonna log it because... Okay, my phone just shut off. As I was saying, this one is, this specific one is for my collection. So I'm not gonna close it again because I want it on my padlock rack. But there will be some nice ones for the Christmas giveaway as well. Alright, let's put this on the tree. And we flip it like that. And we just put it there for now. So now we have a pin tumbler, we have a warded, and we have a lever padlock. So far so good. Hope you'll join for the 4th of December tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.